Hey traders, it's Roberto. Welcome to the tutorial on the week of October 11th through the 15th. Um, I'll go over also the XBRAIN indicator. So yen crosses are very bullish. I'm long on USD yen, New Zealand yen, Canadian yen. All should continue to rally this week. Major resistance levels have been broken. This is the USD yen. Notice as long as it stays above 110.80, we're fine. And it should continue to rally. The same thing with Euro Yen. Trend line break. Two lines of MACD cross to the upside. And I'm targeting 130.52 area. Uh, Pound Japanese yen. Again, here's a nice trend line break. Uh, Here's the ABCD pattern. D is all the way up here is 154.70 level. And let's see what else. We have Aussie yen as well. It's going to hit a trend line around 82.50. So if it closes above here, definitely it's going to continue to rally. So this month, yen crosses are strong, should continue to rally. So I will update the trade signals this week. So look for some pullback. CAD yen is hitting really close to that first target on the extension 90.32, and just looking for some sort of pullback for the next leg up like that, targeting 92 area. All right, let's go to, so that's the yen crosses. I'll update yen crosses and other pairs. Tomorrow is a holiday, so not much activity during the New York session, but definitely during the European and Asian session tomorrow. XBRAIN indicator. Okay, we had a great trade on Euro Australian dollar, and the trade signal went out. So we had this head and shoulder pattern, and here it is. Here's a trade down here. I took 89 pips off of this. And the only reason I exited the trade because we had non-farm payrolls coming out on Friday. So there it is, 89 pips, and I'll show you on the XBRAIN indicator how powerful this indicator works. We had noticed the daily chart, main trend in the channel direction was down on the 4-hour chart as well. There's a 1-hour chart. They were both down at the time of this trade. So what I did is I just follow the directions, the trade signals on the 15-minute chart. So head and shoulder pattern, broke the support, and there's always a challenge when you're in a trade to where to take profit. So what I noticed that especially exotic pairs, they're so volatile. Notice that it sold off, but then there was, a strong rally. This is like 45 pip rally, and you can get a little bit spooked by these retracements. All I did is wait for a trade signal to the downside in the direction of the overall trend. So I just stayed in this trade. I saw the retracement. I saw the trade signal, sell, 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 sell all through Friday, and did not get out till, or rather Thursday, and didn't get out till Friday because, of course, there was non-farm payroll numbers coming out. I didn't want to stay in during a high impact news event. But what's valuable about this indicator is that if you just follow trades in the direction of the higher time frames, daily chart showing a trend to the downside, the 4-hour chart as well, all you need to do is go to the smaller time frames and look for selling opportunities in the direction of the daily chart. Really powerful indicator, especially on these exotics when retracements are 40, 50 pips, and you may think, well, you don't know what to do. You're in a trade, you're up 100 pips, and then all of a sudden you're only up 30 pips. And this indicator will help you stay in that trade. And that's what I did. I just stayed in that trade all the way through Thursday and exited before non-farm payroll. Here's another example on yen crosses on pound yen. Again, look at the daily chart, the overall direction, the trend is up. 4-hour chart, direction is up, right? Just go to the smaller time frame to look for buying opportunities, and there it was during the Asian session. So look at smaller time frames and take those trades in the direction of the trend. Of course, we have sell signals, but that's after the market has already put in its daily range and it's looking for retracement signals to the downside. So these you do not pay attention to, because if you look at the daily chart, the trend is up. The 4-hour chart, the trend is up. So look for buying opportunities on smaller time frames, just like here. So we're going to wait for that retracement to complete on Monday, Tuesday, going into the Asian session. Start looking for buying opportunities on all yen cross. It's the same thing with USD yen. The trend is up on a 4-hour chart. Trend is up on the daily chart. So we're going to be looking for buying opportunities coming into next week on Tuesday Asian session, because the markets are closed in the US on Monday. All right, so that's it for the analysis. Join me tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern for the live trade room, and may not be a lot of activity, but we'll go through tutorials. We'll go over the XBRAIN indicator, and then we'll start looking for trade setups for the rest of the week. All right, have a good trading week. Thanks for watching.